in a world where adventure fits in the back of a hatchback. One man, one car, and endless miles of the open road. What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and last month I set out on an unforgettable journey from the misty peaks of the Smoky Mountains for Fit Fest to the electric energy of New York for Fittin' Friends.
Make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and comment if you aren't following already.
Between the mountains and the city, I explored several national parks. Congaree National Park, I probably butchered that pronunciation. Chased the horizon and called the back of my Honda Fit home. The sleeping arrangements for the day. 2 weekends, countless miles, and 1 road trip. This is the story of that adventure. It's 7 o'clock a.m. We're about 30 minutes away from the first national park, so let's get dressed ready, have a cup of coffee, and get on the road. First stop, Congaree National Park. I probably butchered that pronunciation. Oh, missed my turn here.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
This is the most popular trail, apparently, the Boardwalk Trail. Half of the loop's under construction. MBD, no big deal.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Our next destination is about 300 miles away, but I need to stop somewhere halfway there and do some work. So I was debating on getting a foldable keyboard before I left, and I didn't, and look what happened. Broke the laptop. No overnight parking. All right. I'm going to go check out this Sheets across the street because I at least need to use their washroom. What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here. It's 3 in the morning. I set my alarm for 5, but I am up. So we're gonna cruise on over to the New River Gorge and see if we can find a spot to watch the sunrise. 3 hours until sunrise. I'm gonna go back to the car and shower in the parking lot until we get some more sun. I don't want to get full-blown wet. I'll be fucking freezing. I would have standed out there butt-ass naked, but it's a little cold. It is so freaking beautiful right now. I really wish I did a time-lapse of the sunrise. Look at this.
A few moments later.
It's so good.
Your destination is on the right.
GoPros, keys. Hell yeah, no one's over here. Could jump in real quick. Jumped in the river to take a quick shower. Hell yeah. If I don't stick around for sunset or sunrise because it's too cloudy, definitely worth it to do this. It's not looking like it's gonna rain, but it is overcast, so I don't think the sunset or rise is gonna be the greatest. We're gonna head on over to Shenandoah National Park next. Some final destination shit right now.
In a half mile, take exit 99 for US 250 east toward Afton.
Service just cut out. I think we can go down this, is it Blue Ridge? It's a skyway for sure, and I think that drives through most of the park, and that's what our plan is for now. I can also see the storms coming in, which is why I want to get this done kind of now. I believe this is a 100-mile strip. Cricket's got service, Verizon does not. Eat them apples. Alright, I've seen a couple deer, but here's one I can get on camera. Been about the only wildlife I've seen so far. All the clouds white, now it's raining. Some anxiety here. There's a gas station coming up here on the corner.
Turn right onto State Route 682.
Nice. I don't even think it's open. That's why you bring
the next right onto State
extra
Route
gas
682.
tanks. I am not that far away from Roanoke, but you never know. You never know.
You're the butcher.
So I think we are 9 hours away from Cuyahoga National Park in Ohio. The Skyway, although beautiful, took me kind of sort of in the opposite direction than what I anticipated. So we're gonna try and drive close to the border, so when I wake up in the morning we can get a picture of my car by the Welcome to Ohio sign. And then we'll probably take it up north close to the national park, but get an oil change before we do that. Nothing like a good old Walmart. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm getting tired and definitely hungry, so I'm gonna try to do a Mississippi pot roast in the rice cooker. Pop this tab off. Start this King of the Hill episode. Some carrots, celery, potatoes in there. Next time, we still got more. I'm gonna jump in the back, sleep for a couple hours, and then we're gonna jump on the road and get to Ohio. Welcome to day 7. We got about a 3-hour ride to the Ohio border, and then another 3-hour ride to Cuyahoga National Park. welcome to Ohio sign was on the bridge, so we'll have to grab that later. But let's make our way to Cuyahoga State Park or National Park and start exploring that. Maybe we could get that done today, or today and tomorrow. Oh, the radio shut off for whatever reason again. All right, we're gonna go try to see the Brandywine Falls. It's looking a little busy here. It is in a more populated area. Ooh, we do got a parking spot. I must say this is a very, very nice walkway. The ledges. It's a 2-mile trail. I'm gonna do this on the bridges and then head out because I do plan on coming back here with the wife to explore some more. It's pretty close to our house, or relatively close to our house. I think you just take pictures of it. I don't think you can drive across it. Everybody out of the pool. Here we are, the historic bridge. Welcome to New York. We're in Buffalo, New York at a Target. I think we could park here. Yeah. Don't ask me why, but I put the side window inserts in, but not this back one. And I kind of have a light. I want some darkness, but I want to be able to see out what's going on, basically. Anyway. Have a good night. I gotta get an oil change in the morning and collect some more state signs. Oh, it's a little chilly today. It's been about 75-ish this whole trip, except for now. Speed camera much? You think your city has a problem with speed cameras? Holy cow. We got the police alerts, we got the KA, we got the police radio. You're not getting me today.
Who pay £8 for takeaway egg fried rice? My God, they think money go on tree paying £8 for egg fried rice. Hiya.
Thought I had more rice.
The rice not looking good, you lying to people.
Water on tap.
Oh,
Pump it up.
okay, that's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive, I give you that.
Hello, I've never been here before.
So usually you'll check in here, but they're checking people in down there for today.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Do you know where you're going from?
No.
Okay, so what are you here for?
Just to spectate for a friend.
Okay, so spectating. So what you're just gonna do is just go straight ahead over the bridge. There's gonna be two gentlemen at the booth there. Just just let them know that you're spectating and they'll park you in the middle.
All right,
okay?
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Autocross would be fine. Hung out with the grape, got a couple clips of his car and him on the track. Now we're gonna go head out and try to hit that "Welcome to New Jersey" sign before it gets dark, and then hopefully we can still do Fit and Friends tomorrow because it's supposed to storm. Should have done this when the sun was out. It's like 50 degrees now. Looks pretty good. Oh, I think I misplaced my scrubber. There we go. Thought we had a washer here. This one came out crisp. The other ones are a little soggy. Hell yeah. Yo, that's gonna wrap up Fit and Friends, and that's gonna wrap up my Honda Fit Meets and National Parks tour. I got a 13-hour drive home at least, so we'll see y'all next time. All right, peace out. Oh wow.